My name is Abel. I've been bowling for over 40 years. I started off as a junior bowler, adult bowling. I bowl city tournaments, I bowl state tournaments, I bowl national tournaments, and I do it all for fun. I'm a silver level trained coach for USBC, and I have some knowledge and experience I can share to the bowling community, and I enjoy bowling. I enjoy coaching very much because I share knowledge with students and I see the glow in their eyes when it clicks. My passion is to teach them to bowl in a comfortable way so they can bowl consistently and try to capture all the nuances of things that make them bowl unrelaxed. I'd rather they bowl in a very relaxed way. I once experienced as a bowler bowling in pain, and that kind of motivated me to learn the fundamentals of bowling. So I attended the classes not only to kind of correct my game, but also to teach my kids how to bowl properly. And so it is a goal of mine to try to teach bowlers to bowl in a way where they use much less muscle. Bowling pain-free, to me, it starts with the way the basic fundamentals is practiced. Now that I'm behind the desk at a pro shop, it also has to do with the way the span is on the bowling ball. Sometimes individuals are gripping way more than they should. And so that kind of promotes a lot of pain that I'd like to try to get people to get more relaxed when they bowl. I'm really excited to be able to be part of the Bowling Guys because we're a team. We have a process where we'll be able to teach everybody at the different levels, whether it's beginning, intermediate, or advanced. We have staff that will help at any level. So to make bowlers have fun while they bowl. That's the goal, that they have fun while they bowl. The process for Bowling Guys is to learn, practice, compete. And I like to add, and have fun. We take it a stage at a time, step at a time, to get to a point where you bowl relaxed, you bowl consistently, you bowl pain-free, and you just have fun. So here at Bowling Guys, we're here to help you bowl better. We're here to help you bowl in a very consistent way, in a relaxed way, pain-free, and have fun.